morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Direct TV, your number one pay TV provider. How can I help you?
I'm here to pay my bill.
Good morning.
Good morning. I love working at Direct TV. At Direct TV, we have the best staff equipped to deliver the wow experience, ensuring that both our internal and external customers' expectations are consistently exceeded. I'm so grateful that our entire organization is so customer focused. Our passion for customer service and service excellence is a way of life. Our company is keen on promoting and rewarding exceptional customer service. Last year, 4 of our agents won a trip to Argentina because of their passion for customer satisfaction. And how did you think we got like this? Hard work, empowerment of staff, encouragement of innovative ideas, and consistent training.
At DirecTV, not only would we like our customers to remain loyal with us, but we'd also like them to move up the ladder of loyalty from being a prospect to a customer, to a client, then to a supporter, and finally becoming an advocate for DirecTV.
Okay, thank you very much for calling in and choosing Direct TV, Mrs. Smith. Have a great day. I'll talk to you very soon. Hello, good afternoon, Kyle.
Hey Paula, what's up?
I have a customer, Mr. Paul Smith. He has just signed up for the service.
Alright, Mr. Paul Smith.
Alright, I did indicate to him the 3 to 5 day installation period.
Okay.
Yes, okay. But however, he has some family that will be coming in on Friday, and he would like to know if he could get his service for that time.
Oh, he has some family coming in on Friday.
Yes, they're going to have some kids there, so they would like it then.
Okay, I understand.
Is this possible?
I will be more than happy to try to facilitate him before Friday.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do up the contract here, and I will send you all the information. Yes, and you can proceed from there.
Okay, Paula, is there anything else I can assist you with today? Okay, have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.
Excellent. Can you confirm that you're able to access all your channels? Perfect. And can you also confirm that you're able to adjust the volume? No problem, sir. Anytime. Okay. Thank you so much for your patience. And also thank you for choosing DirecTV, the number one pay TV provider.
Honestly, I'm a fanatic for great sound and picture quality, and in my books, DirecTV is number 1.
I come into DirecTV every month to pay my bill, and the service is always seamless and hassle-free.
When it comes to my kids, the best programming at DirecTV. When I call the offices, I get best service.
I am from Point Fortin and I've been with DirecTV for the last 5 years, and I am 100% sure that anytime I have technical difficulties, a DirecTV technician will be to my service within 24 hours.